Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. Okay, so in this video tutorial, we will create a Google Cloud instance and make use of FileZilla app to connect to it. Okay, so let's begin. So now open a browser and go to Google Cloud Platform. Over a side there you may see a navigation menu. Search for Compute Engine VM instance. Okay, so here I have already created one VM instance for my server. So I will just create new one for this video tutorial. Just create new instance over here and I will just give a name as temp because I want to delete it afterwards. If I don't delete it will charge me, so I will just delete it afterwards. Okay, so here you can configure your machine. You can configure as per your needs. I will just select 4 GB RAM. Okay, and then boot option I will select as Ubuntu. I can select any Ubuntu version. Disk space you can enter over here, the how much disk space you need, and then just select it. And then this is all the default thing. Just firewall, allow all these conditions, and then just create it. Okay, so it has been creating, so it might take some time. For maximum it will take for 10 to 15 minutes. So I will just pause the video. Okay, so as you can see our instance is been created. You can see this green mark. It means that your system is running now. So if you want to stop the system, then you can directly stop, delete, reset. You can do all the task over here. So in this video tutorial, we will just create, or we will check how can we transfer our files, for example, server side code to our this instance. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a ppk file for this instance. For that, go to here connection, and over here there is a drop down button, view Google Cloud command. Just open it and then just copy this command. Okay, and then okay, after doing that you also need a software or a Google Cloud SDK shell to be installed in your Windows operating system. So I have already installed in my system. So this is my Google Cloud SDK shell. So just paste your code over here and just hit enter button. Okay, so our .ppk file has been created. So to check it, just go to C folder, users, and here you may find SSH. Go there. So you can see this is my ppk file that is been created. So after that, after this has been generated, open FileZilla app or a software. Okay, so here go to edit, settings, SFTP. So here you need to add the file that you have just created. Add your file. You can see this is the file that I have just created. You can see the time. It is saying already loaded. Okay, so I will just remove old one. Okay, so it is now connected, and just hit OK button and then go to site management. So here create new site. I will give my site as Proto. point. Okay, and then in protocol select SFTP host name. The host name is the IP address of your system, this one. Copy it and paste it over here. There is no need of this port. And password, your system password. My system name is Rajat and password is also Rajat, and just connect it. So as you can see, it got connected to my instance, Google instance. So this is how we connect our FileZilla app to Google Cloud instance. Okay, so in our this instance, there is no phpMyAdmin or MySQL been installed. So to install phpMyAdmin to this instance, you just need to open this SSH. Okay, this will open a terminal of your instance. So in this video tutorial, I will not show you how to install phpMyAdmin. For that, there are many articles you can refer. You can go to just Google and type how to install phpMyAdmin in Ubuntu. Okay, so there are many articles that you can refer to install phpMyAdmin to your instance. So in my this second instance, I have already installed phpMyAdmin. So I will just show you how to dump files in your instance by making use of this instance. Okay, so I will just connect to this instance now. So as you can see over here, there is no folder for phpMyAdmin. www will be there. It is not there. So I will just connect to my second instance where phpMyAdmin is been installed. Okay, so it is getting connecting. Okay, so it got connected. So you can see over here. So this is my instance, the second instance where all these folders are there, where my PHP code is been kept for app development or work as a PHP API. So here I will just create a new directory. I will name it as temp and I will go to this folder. So in this folder I will just create a file that is index something, index.html. So you can just create a file over here, or if you want to dump your file from your system, you can just create your files over here something, and your phpMyAdmin or your server code, that is you can use JS or anything. So you can just drag it and drop it into your server. So it is been getting dumped. So as you can see, it is been copied in your server. So to run this, I will just add some dummy HTML code in this. Save it, Control S, and just this FileZilla will pop up the file, the changes that you have made. Just hit it, hit S, then it will just copy the updated to your server. Okay, so it got updated. So I will just run this code in my browser. So to run it, just you need to enter your IP address, the IP address, the folder name, that is temp. It is showing some error. Okay, so let me check. It's temp. Okay, okay, so temp temp, and now let me try this. Index.html. Okay, it is not running. I don't know why. Temp index.html. Okay, so as you can see, our PHP index code got not the PHP, the HTML code got run. Hello world, welcome to Proto Coders Point. So this is how you can dump your files to your server. So that's all for this video tutorial. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point.